Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and in today's video we're doing a haul update to my genre haul that I did back in June. I have the remaining items that I wanted to share with you guys that I've been playing with over the last couple of months to see what I really thought about them. So if you want to see my thoughts on those items, then just stay tuned. All right, so we have, what is it, 4 here of the 10 mils that I picked up, and then one that was the 50 mil that I picked up that we're going to go over. This was the remaining of my order from that June 6th order. We have a new order window date now. So it is official that we will be having an order window on August the 29th, which is filming this on Saturday, the Saturday before that, Friday the 29th. It is 7 a.m. CST time, which is 8 a.m. Eastern time. So if you want to check the site out, it's shopgenre.com. And this is not sponsored. This is just a brand that I found, joined a Facebook group, and been enjoying the scents that I have been trying so far. I have purchased so far from 3 windows, I think, 2 or 3. But this will definitely be another one that I want to take advantage of. So the last order window, I got several of their 10 mils because I want to keep trying out the different ones they have in their collection. So we'll go over those, but let me go ahead and get this 50 mil out the way because you guys already saw this one on my, I think it was on my last month tray, the July tray, the Minnie More here. So the Minnie More was the one that's inspired by the House of Sillage Minnie Mouse. And this one has marshmallow, whipped cream, raspberry, caramel, coconut, vanilla, musk, and cedar. And I do have this perfume from the House of Sillage. Love them both. I think it's cute that they got the actual Minnie Mouse ears on here. Of course, this one doesn't do anything compared to the packaging of House of Sillage. But with all that being said, the juice in here, this juice in here is the same. I wore it several times, compared them several times, and this one did just as good, if even better with longevity, same scent. I didn't pick up any nuances. I think throughout the day, I'll smell one stronger than the other when I was doing a side-by-side test, but they both last all day, and they both gave me good longevity, and I really enjoyed this creamy, berry, sweet, fluffy scent. It's a very nice scent, feminine scent. So if you like the House of Sillage scent, or you like that kind of scent profile, you will enjoy this one. So that is the Minnie More by Genre Parfums. And so let's go into these 10 mils that I did get. So the first 10 mil that I want to go over is this one that's Creme de la Creme. So Creme de la Creme is the one that is inspired by Elas Saab Essence number 10 that has notes of tonka bean, bitter almond, sandalwood, and ambergris. I resprayed these on my arm and let them settle down. I'm smelling very good, right? I've been smelling very nicely over the last hour or so because I wanted them to kind of do their little dry down and do their little thing. But this one, I must say, I think out of all the 10 mils, it might be this one or another one. This was my absolute favorite from the group that I'm going to show you, I believe. And it's only because it has the almond in it. I know what it is. It's got the almond and it has sandalwood in it. And those are 2 notes I really love. That tonka is sweet in it very nicely. This is going to be so good come this fall and winter time. Just though that nuttiness with the warm, this is going to be very nice. So enjoy this one. And all of these, I'm just going ahead and say that right off the bat, all of this gave me all day wear. So when I told you guys that I say quality perfume is 6+ hours, I smell these over that 6-hour mark. So to me, these are all good long day wear perfumes. Enjoy them, and we'll continue to enjoy them. And I'm going to let you know which ones I may decide to get this order window. At least it's on my list to get. But the next one I'm going over with you is Dopamine. So Dopamine is the one that's inspired by this Parle More de Parfums. I have a whole long name. But this one has pineapple, immortelle, patchouli, and tonka bean. And this one has that pineapple note in it. I really like this one too, of course, because it's tropical. It has that tropical. And I haven't looked up that immortelle, but it's giving this some character that I really love. So this one is a nice one as well. So Dopamine, love it. The next one I got on here is, believe it or not, as long as this scent has been so popular over the years, I never dove into it and got the original or any of the dupes. So this was my first take on this, but this one is the Extrait. And Extrait is the Baccarat 540 Extrait, inspired by. And this one has bitter almond, saffron, Egyptian jasmine, cedar, ambergris, woody notes, and musk. And it's nice. It's very nice. So this is another one. Has almond in it, and it has saffron in it, and it has jasmine. So it was right up my alley, and I really did enjoy this one. It's giving you a it's like mysterious to me. It's kind of mysterious. It's warm, sensual, with that slight floralness to it. So I really do like that one as well. So let's move it along. The next one here is Imagine a Symphony. I know a lot of the fellas like this one as well. All the ones I'm sharing with you are unisex fragrance. But this Imagine a Symphony is 2 of the Louis Vuitton fragrances, Imagination and Symphony. So those 2 combined is what this is inspired by. So Imagination has citron, calabrian, bergamot, Sicilian orange, Nigerian ginger, Tunisian neroli, Ceylon cinnamon, Chinese black tea, Ambroxan, olibanum, and Gaiac wood. And then Symphony has grapefruit, bergamot, and ginger. It's so good. And I can see, like it says, this is a true unit. I can see either one wearing it. Like that other one, that Creme de la Creme, to me is more feminine, but I guess some guys will like it and have no problem wearing it. Because there are, you know, it kind of put me in the mindset of the sweetness that like the 1 Million may have. You know, those have more of a sweeter note to them. So that's where that kind of scent family is. But this here, Imagine a Symphony, is so fresh and clean, and it's addictive. It really is. Because it has the tea in it, it has the cinnamon in it, so it gives it that little kick. So it's very nice. Very nice. Yes, I really do like it. It's a nice, fresh, clean scent. So it's really appropriate for this time of year. And the next one I have here is Miracle Essence. So Miracle Essence is inspired by Essenza Miraculoso Picanto. And this one is caramel, vanilla, amaretto, almond, cacao pod, amber, and sandalwood. Now, this one, I like it, but when I spray it, it kind of reminds me of popcorn. Yes, I said popcorn. I don't know what it is, but it kind of reminds me of a buttery popcorn. I don't know if it's the cacao pod or what, but I like it. It kind of reminds me of do you remember the childhood box of caramel popcorn or toffee popcorn, whatever it was? But it kind of reminds me of that a little bit. And that doesn't stay like that, but that's what even with me smelling it off the top here, because I sprayed it. Yeah, it's a nice scent. This one, it doesn't project as long. It stays closer to your scent bowl. You do smell it, but it's not one that does a lot of projection throughout the day. But you know, I wasn't dousing myself in it as well, but I do like it. It's just interesting that to me, if for some reason, it's just giving me that buttery, caramelized popcorn. It's so funny, but that's what it's reminding me of. And he dropped 2 new scents, the Incredible or something, I think he's calling it, and I believe that one says it has a popcorn note or something in it. I think it has cotton candy and some other. I have to look back at it, but that's definitely on my list too. But that was the Miracle Essence. Like it, it's just very interesting, so it makes me kind of smile when I smell it. So the other one that I have here is the Shadows. And the Shadows, this one says it's inspired by Byredo Mojave Ghost, that has sapodilla and bread, which is muskmallow, magnolia violet, sandalwood, ambergris, and cedar. Now this one was another one that's very interesting to me. And I'm thinking it's that sapodilla, because that's not a note that I'm very familiar with. But I like it. Yep, but I like it. So, with that being said, and the dry down on this one has been very nice too. This isn't first impressions. I've worn these already, but I kind of was refreshing myself with them, because you know, I wear different scents all the time. So this it makes me smile when I smell it. And that scent, because it has the violet in it. Yeah, that violet in there, and that whatever that sapodilla is really adding some character, but it has the creaminess of the sandalwood. So this one right here is addicting. It's what it is. It's very addicting. So the Shadows is really, because it's kind of like it's elusive. Right when you think you pinpointed the scent and where it was going, it goes into a different direction, and I really do like that. At least that's how I feel about it. All right, so the next one I have here, the last one that I wanted to go over with, is Virtuoso. And Virtuoso is inspired by Xerjoff Italica, that has almond, milk, saffron, vanilla, toffee, sandalwood, musk, and cedar. Another almond one. Ugh. This one is so good. So good. I had this on for date night last night, and loved it very much. Wore it again, because I already wore it several times before, but when I wore it again, I was like, yes. And a lot of these ones I got because I love almond, so I picked several of the ones with almond note in them, because you know, we're coming up in next month or so, we're going to be getting into the fall, where you wear more of those nutty, warm type of scents. So I wanted to see what I thought about them, so I can see about getting them in bigger size if I really do enjoy them. Because my 10 mils, I can still always have those and travel with them. So that's my logic behind some of these 10 mils I'm getting, especially some of the scents I'm really interested in. I'm getting them in the 10 mils, see how much I love them, and then I'll get the bigger size if I really do like them. And I still have my 10 mils for when I travel. So that is my thought process behind that. So I've been gathering my list together. I had pulled a whole little trade notes going here on what I want to get for the next thing. A lot of the bottles now are either 100 mil or 50 mil is where they stop at. Mostly 50 mils is the full bottles of some of these, and I got quite a few on my list. All of these got upgraded to full body bottle worthy for me. So I won't be getting them all at the same time, but eventually I will be getting full bottles of these. So Snow Angel from going back for the whole haul that I did from the last order window. The ones that's really standing out to me that I really want to get the fuller bottle of is the Creme de la Creme, the one I just shared with you in this one. I already got the Minnie More. This is the biggest bottle it comes in, so I don't need to worry about that for now. That 337. That one. And that Snow Angel. Yes. That is so good. So those are the ones, like, and I'm going back and forth on which ones, because I kind of want to go ahead and get Virtuoso as well, but I do want to try some of his other offerings that he has on his site of his other scents, because he has quite the list of scents as well. Then I want to, and I'm testing them out, so I'm kind of slowly going through the brand, and I have not tried a lot of his original creation, just a couple of them, so I want to try some more of those items as well. So those are the bigger bottles that I definitely want to get this go around, but the other ones are on the list, and I do want to sample some more of the things from his site. So that is my plan for 8/29 order window, 7 a.m. CST time, 8 a.m. Eastern time, and the window is only open for 24 hours, and then it closes till he decides to open again. It used to be 4 to 6 weeks, but you know, it's whenever he want to open it back up. Let's just boil it down to that. Sometimes it can be right in that time frame. Sometimes it can be longer, like it was this time around. And I think the only reason why it was longer this time around is because the heat does so much damage to perfumes when it's traveling in the heat that you can lose a lot of products. So when you're a smaller brand, you don't need to be losing a bunch of your product and have to replace those items. So I completely understand with that. And it gives us time to save up some money to get what we want. But if you want to check out, again, I can go ahead and go over it with you. The Inspired by pricing, 5 mils are $4. 10 mils are $10, or you can get 3 for $25. The 30 mils are $25. 50 mils are $45. And his 100 mils, he has the 100 mil option in some of his scents, not all of them. That's $68. But then his original creations, he has 5 mil at $7, 15 mil at $20, and 50 mil at $50. So that's the general pricing of his items. But you can always go to the shopgenre.com website and get more information on that. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned with me. I really do appreciate you guys who are sticking with me till the end and going down and dropping comments and giving me likes. I really do appreciate that. Thank you so much for staying tuned with me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.